If lines x equal to ay plus b, z equal to cy plus d, and x equal to a dash z plus b dash, y is equal to c dash z plus d dash are perpendicular, then which one of the following correct option here? So from this result here, take this equation x equal to ay plus b and z is equal to cy plus dx. We have to take b this side here, x minus b is equal to a into y, cross multiply x minus b divided by a is equal to y. Take the d left side here, z minus d is equal to c into y, and cross multiply z minus d divided by c is equal to y. So using these results here, you can write here x minus b divided by a is equal to y minus 0 divided by 1 is equal to z minus d divided by c. Therefore, a, 1 and c, these are the vectors here, parallel to the line here. Hence, b1 bar is equal to ai plus 1 into j becomes j, then c into k is a vector parallel to the line. Similarly, take these two equations here, x is equal to a dash z plus b dash, then y is equal to c dash z plus d dash here. Take b dash left hand side here, x minus b dash is equal to a dash z here, then x minus of b dash divided by a dash is equal to z. So similarly, y minus of d dash is equal to c dash z here, y minus of d dash divided by c dash equal to z here. So from these two equations here, x minus b dash divided by a dash is equal to y minus of d dash divided by c dash equal to z minus 0 divided by 1 here. Therefore, the vector b2 bar is equal to a dash I plus c dash of j plus 1 into k becomes k is a vector. Is a vector parallel to the line. Okay, take this one as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. Since 1 and 2 are perpendicular, since 1 and 2 are perpendicular, so therefore b1 dot of b2 is equal to 0. Then so it's a dot product here, a dash. Okay, a dash plus here 1 into c dash here. Okay, so right here 1 into c dash is a c dash plus c into 1 is a c, that is equal to 0. Okay, so a dash 1 into c dash becomes a c dash here, c into 1 becomes a c is equal to 0 here. In this case, c is the correct option here. A dash plus c dash plus c is equal to 0 is the correct option here. The equation of the plane containing the straight line x upon 2 is equal to y upon 3 is equal to z by 4 and perpendicular to the plane containing the two lines here. Okay, so this is the first plane here containing this line here. Okay, as well as this is the second plane containing these two lines here, and they are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, let P1 be the plane. Let P1 be the plane containing the line, containing the line x divided by 2 is equal to y upon 3 is equal to z divided by 4, Okay, passing through origin here 0 0 0 and parallel to the vector, parallel to the vector. So it is a 2i plus 3j. Take this one as b1 bar here. So b1 bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Because here this equation can be written in this form here. X minus 0 upon 2 is equal to y minus 0 divided by 3 is equal to z minus 0 divided by 4. Hence, this is a linear. This line passing through origin 0 0 0. Okay, and parallel to the vector 2 3 4 here. 2 3 4. So different diagram I had drawn here. Because all these lines, the given lines are passing through origin here. Hence, this is the first line here, this one. Passing through origin. Even these two are also lines here, passing through origin only. Hence, this is the next diagram here. Take this one as a P1. P1 is the plane containing this line here. Its equation is this here. Passing through origin and parallel to this vector here. So the direction ratios are 2, 3, 4 here. So 2, 3 and 4 direction ratios of this vector here. Similarly, this is the second plane here P2. P2 containing these two lines here, they are already given here, and both lines are passing through origin here. So this is the line parallel to vector B2 here. Then here B2 direction ratios are, so take here 3, 4, 2 here. So 3, 4 and 2 here. And this is the line here parallel to this vector here. Then direction ratios are 4, 2, 3 here. So 4, 2 and 3 here. These two are the vectors here. Then this is a normal here. This normal to this plane is given by n2 bar is equal to b2 cross of b3. b2 cross b3 is a n2 here. This is a vector, means normal perpendicular to the second plane here. Hence, then this is a normal to the plane here, because here this line parallel to this vector, and this is the normal here perpendicular to this plane here. Then here is the normal perpendicular to both b1 as well as n2 here. Yes, first to find here normal here n1 bar. N1 bar is given by b1 or n2 cross of b1 here. N2 cross of b1, and this is plane passing through origin here. Hence you can use the formula. So r bar minus of a bar dot of here n2 cross b1, n2 cross of b1, that is equal to 0. Okay, r bar minus a bar dot n2 bar cross b1 cross is equal to 0, because this is a normal here, normal to this plane here. So therefore it is just like a r bar minus of a bar dot of n2 cross b1 is n1 here. So n1 is equal to 0. Here a bar is this vector here. So therefore a bar is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay. And P2 be the plane, and P2 be the plane containing two lines x upon 3 is equal to y divided by 4 is equal to z divided by 2, and x divided by 4 is equal to y upon 2 is equal to z divided by 3. Therefore, here n2 bar N2 bar be the normal to the plane P2, and it is N2 bar is equal to B2 cross of B3 B2 cross of D. Therefore, determinant of I, J, K, take a 3, 4 pair. So 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3. So 4, 2, 3. Then simplify. This gives I into 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4 here. Minus of J, 3 3s are 9, minus of 8, plus K, 3 2s are 6, minus 4 4s are 16 here. Okay, therefore this is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 I, 9 minus 8 is 1 here, minus of J, and 6 minus 16 minus of 10 K here. So this is the N2 bar. This is this vector here. It is N2 bar here. Okay. Then here this vector N2 bar and B1 parallel to this plane here. Okay. Yes, N1 bar is given by. Therefore, N1 bar is equal to, so N2 cross of B1 here. That is equal to determinant of I, J, K. So N2 is this one here. So 8 minus 1 minus 10. 8 minus 1 minus 10 here. And B1 is this vector 2, 3, 4. So write 2, 3, 4 here. Yes, this is equal to I into 4 ones are 4 here, minus of 4, then 10 3s are 30 here, minus of minus become plus 30, minus of J, 8 4s are 32 here, minus of 10 2s are 20 here, so minus minus plus 20 plus, then K into 8 3s are 24, minus 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus 3. Therefore, this is equal to 30 minus 4, 26 here. 26I. Then the 32 plus 20, 52 here, minus of 52J. 24 plus 2 becomes 26 here, 26K. Therefore, dividing both sides by 26 here, so it gives I here, then minus of 2J plus K, plus K. So I minus 2J plus K. Therefore, this plane P1 passing through origin and having a normal here. Therefore, plane P1 passing through origin and having a normal N1 bar is equal to I minus 2J plus K is so we are using this formula. A bar is this vector because the plane passing through origin here. So it's the next step here. So here it can take here x minus 0 into I plus y minus 0 into k plus z minus 0 into k. Then dot of n1 bar here, n1 bar is this here. So I minus of 2j plus k that equal to 0. So it's a dot product is x into 1 becomes x here. Then y into minus 2 minus of 2y and z into 1 becomes z here plus z is equal to 0 here. Hence, fourth option is correct here. X minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Otherwise, very simple method here. So first you find here this normal here. Okay, here this is a plane here containing these two planes here. Therefore, N2 bar gives B2 cross B3. So use this one. N2 bar is B2 cross of B3. This one. Okay. Here, this vector means normal perpendicular to this normal here. According to these four options here, you just observe here using inspection method here. In this case, consider this plane here. So 5 2 minus 4 or direction ratio of this normal here. Here these two are perpendicular means dot product must be 0. You just observe here. Here take these two. 8 to 5 is 40 here. It is 40. Then 2 ones are 2. Minus of 2 here. Then minus 4 into 10 minus plus 40 here. It is not equal to 0. Hence this is not a linear. Take this one here. 8 into 1 becomes 8. So write here 8. Then 2 into 1 becomes 2. Minus of 2 here. Then minus 2 into 10 minus plus here plus 20 here. Again this is not equal to 0. Take this one and this one here. 8 3 are 24. Then 2 into 1 is 2. Minus of 2 here. Minus 3 into 10 minus plus here. Okay. So plus 30. Again this is not equal to 0. Take last plane and this one here. Here 8 into 1 becomes 8 here. Then minus 1 into minus 2 becomes plus 2. Then minus 10 into 1 becomes minus of 10 is equal to 0. Because here 1 minus 2 1 these are direction of this normal here. So minus 1 minus 2 1 here. Okay. Then direction of this normal is 8 minus 1 minus 10 here. 8 minus 1 minus 10. They are perpendicular here. They are perpendicular here. Yes, 1 into 8 is 8 here. Minus 2 into minus 1 it is a plus 2. 1 into minus 10 is minus 10 equal to 0. Yes, obviously equation of this plane is x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. It is very simple method here. Okay. What different here? N2. N2 is take care 4 2 3 and 3 4 2. Okay. Then simplify we get a normal here. So use this inspection method here. Take this plane and this plane here. Dot product must be 0. 5 8 is 40. Then 2 ones are 2. Minus 2. Then minus 4 into minus 10 plus 40 is not equal to 0. So check one by one here. In the last option only. Here in this one condition satisfied here. Here dot product is 0 here. Yes, they are perpendicular. This vector and this vector both are perpendicular means equation of this plane must be x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. It is a very simple procedure here.